Get key by value in dictionary. I made a function which will look up ages in a dictionary and show the matching name. I know how to compare and find the age, I just don't know how to show the name of the person. Additionally, I am getting a key error because of line 5. I know it's not correct, but I can't figure out how to make it search backwards.
Or in Python 3.x. Basically, it separates the dictionary's values in a list, finds the position of the value you have, and gets the key at that position. More about keys and dot values in Python 3. How can I get list of values from dict?
There is none. Dict is not intended to be used this way.
If you want both the name and the age, you should be using .items, which gives you key, value, tuples. You can unpack the tuple into two separate variables right in the for loop, then match the age. You should also consider reversing the dictionary if you're generally going to be looking up by age, and no two people have the same age. So you can look up the name for an age by just doing. I've been calling it midict instead of list because list is the name of a built-in type, and you shouldn't use that name for anything else. You can even get a list of all people with a given age in one line. Or if there is only one person with each age, which will just give you none if there isn't anyone with that age. Finally, if the dict is long and you're on Python 2, you should consider using .iteritems instead of .items, as cat++ did in his answer, since it doesn't need to make a copy of the list.
I thought it would be interesting to point out which methods are the quickest, and in what scenario. Here's some tests I ran on a 2012 MacBook Pro. Results from profile.run on each method 100,000 times. Method 1. Method 2. Method 3. So this shows that for a small dict, method 1 is the quickest. This is most likely because it returns the first match, as opposed to all of the matches like method 2, see note below. Interestingly, performing the same tests on a dict I have with 2,700 entries, I get quite different results, this time run 10,000 times. Method 1. Method 2. Method 3. So here, method 3 is much faster. Just goes to show the size of your dict will affect which method you choose. Notes. Method 2 returns a list of all names, whereas methods 1 and 3 return only the first match. I have not considered memory usage. I'm not sure if method 3 creates 2 extra lists, keys, and values, and stores them in memory.
One-line version. I is an old dictionary, P is a reverse dictionary. Explanation, I.keys and I.values returns two lists with keys and values of the dictionary respectively. The zip function has the ability to tie together lists to produce a dictionary. Warning, this will work only if the values are hashable and unique.